Well, welcome, boys and girls, to fourth grade Excel lesson number 97. We're going to learn about measuring vertical and horizontal lines by subtracting x and y coordinates. That's a fancy way of telling you that we're going to learn the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane, a coordinate graph. Here we go. Looking at the graph on the right, what is the distance between each of the following points? The distance from A to B. Here's A, here's B. How far is it? 1, 2, 3. So that's why they put 3 there. How about from C to D? Here's C, here's D. How far is it to go from C to D? Pause the video, write the answer right here, and then turn it back on. All right, so you should have put already 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 to go from C to D. All right, why don't you try 3, 4, and 5, then turn the video back on after you're ready. All right, number 3 is from R to S. Here's R, here's S right here. That's simply a jump of 2. From U to R, here's U here, here's R up here. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to there. 5 is the correct answer. And from S to T, here's S and T down here. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 to get there. So the answer is 3. Can you see the relationship between the values for X and Y and the distance between the points? Let's take a look at that. How about our first one, from A to B? A is at point, you remember you go over first and then up. So that would be 1, 5 is where A is. Whereas B is at 4, 5. B is at 4, 5. Can you tell how you can come up with the answer of 3 when you're looking at these numbers? 1, 5 and 4, 5. Where does the 3 come from? Pause the video and think about that for a second. Let's see if you can figure out the answer. Where do we get a 3 out of these numbers? All right, well, the correct answer is, and it's explained to you down here, that 5 and 5 are the same in the Y spot. Y is equal to 5 on both of those numbers. But on A, X is equal to 1, and on B, X is equal to 4. Well, how do we get a 3 out of there? Pretty obvious, right? We do 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, and that gives us the distance right there. So all you have to do is subtract either on X or Y to figure out the distance. Let's try some of these. I'm going to go down to here. I'm just going to subtract. So here's point E, we're going to say is at 8, 7. Point F is at 8, 2. Notice the Y is the same, or excuse me, X is the same, 8 and 8. The difference is 7 and 2, so we're going to subtract 7 minus 2 to get 5. The distance is 5 units. All right, pause the video, try number 8, and turn it back on to see the solution. So on number 8, Y is the same. There's 0 and 0 on both of them. The X is different, 7 and 1. So you're going to subtract 7 minus 1 to get 6. All right, I think you probably get it. It's just a little subtraction problem. Go ahead and do 9 all the way to 12. All 4 of those problems. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. So on number 9, the Y is the same, 6 and 6. The X is different, 8 and 7. So 8 minus 7 gives you 1. On number 10, the Y is still the same. The X is different, 5 and 2. 5, that's how you show your work, by the way, this right here. 5 minus 2 is 3. On number 11, the X is the same, 10 and 10. So we'll subtract the Y's, 12 minus 3, which is 9. And on number 12, the X's are the same, and the Y's are different, which is 14 and 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. That's it. That easy. Hope you got them all right. Have a good day.